If you're experiencing login issues on Mixpanel, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot common login challenges. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can help refresh your session. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Mixpanel's support team. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you receive, for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on Mixpanel quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.